How to solve Grammarly browser extension not loading. Step 1, check the internet connection. So Grammarly requires an active internet connection to function. You can test your connection, visit a website, or run a speed test to ensure your internet is working. You can also restart your router, turn off your router for 30 seconds and restart it, or switch networks. If your current network is unstable, switch to another Wi Fi or mobile hotspot. Next is update your browser. An updated browser can cause compatibility issues with extensions. So check for updates. Go to settings, go to about, go to Chrome to check for updates on Edge, go to settings, go to about Microsoft Edge, and then if updates are available, install them and restart the browser. Next is disable other extensions. So if you see any other extensions like VPN, what you're going to do is you need to turn that one off or remove that VPN. Sure. Next is clear browser cache. So you need to clear cache on Edge. Go to settings, privacy, search and services, and then clear browsing data. Same thing with Chrome. Go to settings, privacy and security, clear browsing data, and then restart the browser. And lastly, check Grammarly server status. Sometimes Grammarly server status or servers may be down. So visit Grammarly status page, go to Grammarly status to check for outages, wait for updates. If there's a server issue, wait for Grammarly to resolve it. And basically, that's it. So I really hope that after following this method, it will somehow fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.